However, 13 years ago, the formation of the Snow Man was announced at the stage production of Takizawa Kabuki. Takizawa also named the group and he was a member of Snow Man. However, when Takizawa left the company in October 2022, the gear of the master discipline relationship began to go wrong little by little. Snow Man宮舘Ryota, Iwamoto Hikaru, and Fukazawa Tatsuya, other Putu including宮舘Ryota posing on stage and Iwamoto Hikaru dancing in the pouring rain. If you want more information, then stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.